Hello and welcome everybody. Today we've got this beautiful, colorful box right here. I don't know if you can see, there's some letters imprinted in this. Some of you may already know about this series. This is by Histoires de Parfums, and this is their series called Ceci n'est pas une flacon bleu. This is not a blue bottle, right? The reference to that famous painting of the pipe, which says this is not a pipe. So it's a little bit of a tongue-in-cheek thing because, it's about, what objects really are or what depictions of objects are and all of that. I'm not an artist and I'm not a philosopher, but I thought I thought it was quite funny. I like the humor, and these scents often are quite synthetic, so they're quite unashamedly synthetic, which makes me curious if I will like them, because I'm fine with synthetics as long as they are being used tastefully, right? Oftentimes synthetics are being done with a really rough hand, very overdosed and way too powerful. So yeah, this one is 1.2. So they have 7 scents now in this series. You can see the notes here. So there's some, I think, ivy, lilac, lily of the valley, ylang ylang, sandalwood, vanilla, white musks, pink pepper. So this is supposed to be quite a fresh one. Here we go. So this is the big bottle. Hoping I can wear this in summer. Close up the box. I think this is a really lovely box. I really enjoy what they've done here, and the bottle as well. So there's like a sticker on front which is like a 3-dimensional paint splatters, and of course it's a blue bottle, and they've got this metal cap. So this is anodized aluminum, or aluminium I should say, probably. Well, now I've triggered both the British and the Americans. Yeah, so this is a 120 or 115 ml bottle. Feels kind of light, but I'm gonna spray it and see what I think. First impressions. 2.5 sprays. Got some splatters on the bottle. Okay, let's prop it up like this. Oh, this is just happy. This is just very happy. For sure synthetic. It's sweet, candied. It's got like a little bit of a bubblegum note. It's very fresh. Very clean. Creamy. This is just easy to wear. This is just some real happy perfumery. There's some lilac as well, for sure, but it's nothing like En Passant. So if you smell Frederic Malle's En Passant, this is nothing, at least the lilac part. This is backed by a lot more sweet florals and musks and creaminess from the sandalwood and vanilla. This is just fun. I'm not saying this is the highest quality of materials. Obviously, I think a lot of this is synthetic, maybe all of it. But it's blended well. So I'm saying there's nothing that sticks out. There's no rough edges. It all comes together in a smooth way. And even the sweetness, I usually don't like sweet scents. Even the sweetness here, because it's wrapped up in those floral notes, I don't find cloying. So definitely a sweeter scent you can wear in the warmer weather, I would say. But yeah, even though it doesn't smell very wintry, I think this would hold up fine in winter as well. It's not weak. So En Passant is this very light and very transparent, watery, dewy type of floral scent. And this one is just It's just colorful like the label. It just hits you. But it, I don't know, it just makes me smile. I think I'll have a lot of fun wearing this. I would say, classically speaking, this might lean more towards, you know, what people consider a woman's scent, but I have no issues wearing this because I love this cleanness. I love florals. I'm not usually into ylang ylang, by the way. I do get a little bit of that banana. So there's a banana candy, like a, I don't know if you have that here, but it's like a foamy chewy candy, like sugary foam, and it has this, it's yellow colored, and it just smells. It just tastes like that. It tastes like this smells. I got it right there. So like this is like this foamy, chewy, soft, fluffy is a good word, like marshmallowy banana candy with these other fruity notes and these floral notes. So like the lily of the valley here is not super green, I would say. It's just like a clean, maybe detergenty, laundry detergenty type of lily of the valley. Yeah. This is just very fun. I keep repeating myself, so I think this should conclude the first impressions I have of this. I will wear this a couple of times, and if you're curious, if you want me to do maybe like a full review after a couple of wearings, maybe after the summer, feel free to let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.